Advanced Machinery, we try to be more than just a machinery salesman. We provide our customers with solutions by first understanding what they need, where their pain points are. Some companies like to grow, some of them are okay where they're at, so we need to understand really where their goals are, and then we as a team get together and really try to figure out how can we help that customer get to the next level. And it could be through providing them with machines, it could be providing them with outsourcing opportunities, service opportunities, rebuild opportunities. However we can help that customer get what they need and be successful. Being a partner with Stiles has been a journey for us. We started dealing with Stiles when my father started Advanced Machinery in 1989. I believe we were one of the first dealers to ever do business with Stiles. Stiles' vision is being a full solution provider. When we're looking for partners in this segment of our business, we love the fact that HOMAG has and Stiles have the full solution. They don't just sell one machine, they look at it and have factories that make many machines so that we can bring a full solution to our customers. Being a full solution provider is also being able to service that machine in a timely, efficient manner. And that's what separates us from the rest, is we're able to get in there very quickly and help that customer get up and going. Our customers are dealing with pressures they've never had before. They have clients that need things and the schedules are tight. We are in it with them. We're in it for the long haul with them. We plan on being in business for many more years to come, and we want to help grow with them and see them succeed in the future.